In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download TradingView chart. If you've ever needed a clean snapshot of your analysis for a presentation, a report, or to share with a colleague, this quick workflow will give you a high-quality image in just a few clicks. Start by opening the exact chart you want in TradingView. Make sure it displays precisely what you intend to capture because the image will mirror whatever is on your screen. That includes the symbol, time frame, indicators, drawings, and the zoom level. If you've added annotations or adjusted the layout, take a moment to double-check them. The clearer your on-screen chart, the cleaner your saved image will be. Next, look toward the top area of the chart for the small camera icon. It's part of the chart toolbar and is designed specifically for taking a snapshot. When you click that camera, a short menu will appear with a couple of straightforward options. If you want to save the file directly, choose Download Image. TradingView will generate a snapshot, and your browser will either save it automatically, usually to your Downloads folder, or prompt you to select a location and file name. The image typically saves as a PNG, and in some cases you may have the option to save as a JPG. As a quick guideline, PNG is ideal when you want crisp lines and legible text for indicators and notes, while JPG can be smaller in file size if you need something lighter to share. Either way, you'll get a faithful capture of what you see on the chart. Alternatively, you can select Open Image in New tab. This option displays the snapshot in a clean browser tab, which makes it easy to preview the result before you save. Once it opens, right-click on the image and choose the Save option your browser provides. Then pick a folder and name that you'll remember. This path is helpful if you want to verify the image size or check that every element is included before committing it to a file. After saving, it's a good practice to open the image from your chosen folder and give it a quick look. Confirm that your symbols, timeframes, and drawings are all captured clearly. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, click the camera, and either download directly or open it in a new tab and save. With these two options, you can reliably capture and share your TradingView charts whenever you need them.